What if you wish to create your personalized logo, but you have only pen, paper and your smartphone? Hi, Milan here, and in this video I'm going to show you a very simple way how you can create any logo from your imagination that you can use for your photos on a smartphone. You don't need to have experience in any program for vector or raster graphic. Only what you need is pen, paper and a smartphone. And the whole process is quite simple. Step 1. Make drawing. Step 2. Take photo of your new logo. Step 3. Increase contrast a bit. Step 4. Remove background to be transparent. Step 5. Save it in PNG file format which support transparency. And that's it. You have logo with transparent background ready to use. Let's say you already have a great idea for your logo. All you have to do is to draw it on paper using felt pen. Why felt pen? Because we need to have clear picture with high contrast between drawing and white paper. This is my logo, made of 3 letters as initial of my page, Milan Mosaic Art. And is composed in a shape of double-headed eagle what indicate what is my job and page about. Okay. After our drawing is completed, we have to take a photo of our new logo. But after checking, I saw that the feather which I draw with brighter felt pen needs to be a bit darker. So I go over it one more time with the same felt pen. Now seems to be okay. Let's take photo again. Okay. Are we going to use our logo immediately? Not so fast. Why not? Because when we add logo to our picture, we wish white background to be totally transparent. So how we can remove it from photo? For that we will need some of application which we can download from Play Store. Program which I'm going to use is Ultimate Background Eraser. You can download it and use it for free. So now, can I open up and remove background from my logo? Well, we can, but to remove background successfully from our logo, I would recommend first to increase contrast of a picture. For that we use application which came with our phone. I will increase contrast as much as it is needed, so white to be pure white and black to be 100% black. Here we can also crop picture because we don't need that part around which is going to be transparent. And since I wish logo to be in grayscale, I will desaturate picture here in same application. Okay, tap save and this step is completed. Next, let's finally open our application for removing background from logo. This application, and from here we have to tap on this icon to search our logo and again tap on gallery. Now we need to find our logo and tap on it. Picture of logo is now imported in application. To delete the background we tap auto and then click tap somewhere on background. And immediately background is removed. If remain any part of background like here in letter O, we have to tap there and that part of background is removed as well. If we tap few times on this icon, we can see how logo looks with a different background. We also can zoom, and now we can see that one part of background is not deleted well. But we can fix that manually. Tap on manual and easily erase that part. It seems to be okay now. Now application gives us option to choose how much smooth we wish to be transition from logo to transparent background. I leave it as it is. Okay, now we have to save picture of logo. And since we wish to have transparent background, we have to save it in the PNG file format which support transparency. Choose a resolution. It is not necessary to be in maximal resolution, because the size of logo will take only small portion of any of our picture. Okay, now we have logo with transparent background ready to use. To add logo to any of our picture we need to to have application which allows to do that. We can find and download it from Play Store. To see video how to add logo to your picture using only smartphone, check the link in the description of this video. Let's say I wish to add logo to this picture, but probably white logo will look better than black one we just created. To achieve that, we need to invert colors of logo. For that we need one application which can do that, and one of them is called negative image. We tap here on icon of picture and then on gallery. Choose our logo and it is automatically inverted. Now we have to save picture by pressing save icon right here. That's it. Let's see now how it looks in our gallery. You can find it in folder negative image, same name as application. It's good, but I think that feathers and heads are too dark and will not be enough visible on photos. So I will increase brightness a bit in the same program which came with our phone. Something like this should be good. Let's save this. Now we have to open inverted picture of a logo in program to remove background and apply same steps as for previous version. Save it as PNG. Okay, now logo is ready to use. We have two versions, black and white. Let's see how it looks on this picture. We can adjust transparency, make it smaller, and when we are satisfied, tap save. Okay, here is our picture with logo, which we created using pen, paper and smartphone. And very important is that you don't need to work in program on a computer. All can be done using a smartphone. Thank you for watching, and if you are new here, don't forget to subscribe for new videos.